I'm Shane White, and this is The Process.
Hey gang, Shane Patrick White here with another edition of The Process. On today's process, I'm actually going to do a developer diary. I'm starting a new project for Z2 Comics in association with Universal Music. It's a 10-page story for an anthology book about Beethoven. And the section I'm working on is called Arminius, which is based on the Battle of Teutoburg Forest in Germany? I don't know. I'm not really familiar with the history, but it's where a Roman leader, Arminius, ends up getting, I guess he's originally Germanic, and he doesn't want to betray his countrymen, so in that the Romans are trying to conquer the German people, he ends up betraying the Romans because I don't know how it worked out. I don't know his full history. I should know. I probably should know. But yeah, he was Germanic by birth, but he's Roman by proximity, and so he ends up getting to a high leadership role and ends up turning on his own people. And the Battle of Teutoburg Forest is pretty brutal. So it's going to be interesting to try and take a bloody battle and make it PG-13. It's always good to ask those questions up front, especially if you don't know where the book is being sold, like Walmart, or if it's going to be produced through through Scholastic or something like that. So I started off with a few designs of the characters, like the main characters, Arminius and this Germanic woman, Thulsnelda, is kind of the leader of the Germanic people, and at some point they end up marrying. It almost sounds like a fairy tale, but apparently this really happened. And these are just my first takes. I don't know if I'll stay with them. She looks very powerful, and he kind of looks like, hey dude, let's go to war. So I've really got to nail the character down a little bit more. But those are the first things. And then the second thing is I get the script typically, and I end up doing thumbnails of everything just to make sure that the story layout works or whatever. And then from there, I end up creating roughs and then full pencil pages and then inks. So today I'm just taking my rough Bristol and measuring out the borders, and on the backs of those pages I'll end up doing character designs and doing some inking to sort of figure out the style, look, and all that stuff. I don't have a lot of time for pre-production. The project is due September 1st. Today is August 4th. So it's 10 pages. I don't have any other freelance yet, but I need to jump on this sooner rather than later, because this time I'm actually working with a colorist. I don't have to color this myself, which has typically been the case in other projects. So I ended up getting a friend involved, and hopefully she will be getting pages soon and we can land this plane nice and easy. So anyways, that's it for today's development diary, or developer diary, whatever you want to call it, or whatever I end up calling it. Anyway, until next time, take care and thanks for watching.